Hello everyone. Today we are starting our new YouTube channel where we will discuss about 3D printing technologies. There are basically 5 3D printing technologies which are FDM, fused deposition modeling, SLA, stereolithography, polyjet, SLS, selective laser sintering, and DMSL, direct metal laser sintering. We will be focusing on FDM technology which can be easily done at our home by such kind of printers. So this is a 3D printer from Anycubic, and as you can see I have already printed two items out of it. First one was a dinosaur. This file was already available on the SD card which was provided with the 3D printer, and as you can see this is articulated and it is printed in one piece. So these individual blocks are not printed separately. It is printed in a single go, and as you can see it has different kind of movements. Also, I was trying to print a bungee, but the sample PLA filament which was provided with this printer ran out, and hence I had to stop this printing in between. As this dinosaur was my first print, it was not successful in the first attempt itself. I will show you. Basically, this is what happened in the first go. Actually, the nozzle height in z-axis was not correct. Hence, the print did not start correctly and the filament was overlapping. Hence, I had to stop it. In the second attempt, this print came out of the plate. It was not sticking to the plate, and as you can see here, the filament started overlapping on each other. So even I had to stop this. Then finally in the third attempt, correct print was given. It took around 1 hour 5 minutes to complete. So that's it for today's video.